CapCut just released a massive new World Cup update with effects that you need to take advantage of before they disappear. It's available for both mobile and PC users. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to head on over here to the transitions page right here. We're going to click on transitions and select football. This is the football category and it has tons of motion graphics here that you could choose from. So you can select this, let's bring it in. Let's play this back and take a look at it. And that is awesome. So next up we have the text. All right, so we have text effects here that you can click on. You need to select the football tab right here. There are some text effects that you could use. I preferably like the text templates, so you can click on football right here and let's bring in the text template here. Let's just try it out and see what it looks like. So all right, let's just reposition this, right? So we don't want it to block Lamine's face. All right, and we're going to change the text up. Okay, so let's play it back and see what the template looks like. There we go. It's actually not that bad. Alright, next up we have Harry Kane here. So let's take a look at the effects panel right here. So go into effects, go into the video effects, select football. You can choose a lot of different types of effects that you have here. If you're on a pro version, you can use some that are marked for pro. I'm going to use this Turf Blast right here and just take a look at what it looks like. Nice. That's actually not bad. That's very cool. So there are some others as well, like Cyber Stadium that you can try. You could just drag it in and just play it back. And this should be a nice opening to your edit. You know, you can actually just get busy and very creative with that. There are also some stickers here. So if those of you have, you know, content that is football memes and stuff, you might want to make a lot of use of the stickers that are here. So all of the effects are World Cup related and it will amplify your football edits online. Like, comment and subscribe for more football editing tutorials and enjoy the World Cup.